Hi my love, so in today's video I'm going to show you my go-to soft glam makeup tutorial and how I prep my skin, contour, highlight, do my eyeliner, and so much more. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, new DIYs every Wednesday and videos every week. Also, check out my website, anita-samantha.com for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with a ton of hacks I don't share on my channel. Starting off, I always love to set the vibe with some nice warm tea and good music while getting ready. Now when it comes to lips, I always prep them with a lip balm. Today I am using Baby Lips, and I'm also going to be trying this amazing mascara. Wait till you guys see what it does to my lashes. It is the new Wonder Extensions Curl Mascara, and I'll link it below. One thing that is so important to me before doing my makeup is prepping my skin. So today, since my skin was puffy, I like to use this ice roller under my eyes and just around my face. Then I prep my skin with a good serum. I will link everything down below, as you guys know, but this just helps add a natural glow before your foundation, and I always apply it with a jade roller and then pat it in with my hands and a beauty blender. So first, for makeup, I'm going to apply my Age Rewind Maybelline around my skin, any areas that are red, and then pat it in with a beauty blender before applying the foundation. For foundation lately, I've been loving blending my Makeup Forever HD with my Too Faced Born This Way, and I will list my shades down below, but I mix them on the back of my hand, then dot them on my face with my fingers and blend it with a beauty blender. Now when it comes to foundation, always remember to take your time and blend down your neck. So for concealer, I have two hacks. So first, I like to use this Age Rewind, which is more of a honey color. I go down my nose and up my eye bags pretty much. Then I go with a light color in the inner corners of underneath my eyes. This is where my eye bags get the darkest, and I also take a light color to highlight down the middle of my face. You guys, it makes your face look so bright and so contoured and highlighted perfectly. And of course, I blend that all together with my beauty blender, but you can use any sponge, you can even use a brush, whatever works for you. Now, going in with some Wonder 2 Cosmetics, I'm using this HD Selfie Powder as my contour, and I apply this to my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my jawline, and it has such a good consistency, and it gave me a smooth finish. And then really blending it out with a kabuki brush, and again, I will list every single thing down below so you don't feel like you have to keep pausing or rewinding. Then when it comes to setting my contour and highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I find that it's a really great dupe to Laura Mercier, so I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I highlighted. Now for brows, I'm going to go in real quick with my Anastasia Dip Brow. And also guys, if you guys are watching right now, comment 3-minute mark down below so I can show you so much love in the comment section and see who my real subscribers are. I love you guys. Now for eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be going in with this blush. I believe it's by Too Faced. I can't remember, so I'll link it down below. Then once I just apply that lightly over my lids, I'm going to go in with this NYX Precision Liquid Liner and just apply that really thick because I was in a bold mood. Then I'm going to wipe off my baking and apply my Wonder Extensions Curl Mascara. One of the things I love about this mascara is the brush. It's a really good application, and I was not going to share this obviously unless I loved it, and wait till you guys see the look it gives you. If you try it, you guys are going to love it, and I like it because they also have olive oil, which makes it more of a natural hydration. So I like to really build my mascara depending how bold of a look I want, and I tested it out with a bunch of coats and it still remained really lightweight, so I didn't feel like I had a bunch of mascara on. It wasn't dry, it wasn't clumping, it was just the perfect consistencies, and I'm really happy I got it, so I will list it down below, and I have 10% off. I'm so happy they gave that to me, so you guys can get 10% off the entire brand. To finish the look off, I'm going in with MAC Whirl and just applying that all over my lips. And then I'm going to apply some lipstick in Velvet Teddy by MAC as well. And that is it. This is such a gorgeous, soft glam look. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's perfect around summertime for a night out. So I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to check the links down below, including the new launch of that mascara. And I'll see you guys very soon for a new video. Thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, and I'll see you on Wednesday for a DIY. Mwah!